After the adoption of the Beijing Rules, India enacted the Juvenile Justice Act 1986 full stop. In this act, the juvenile was defined under section 2 within bracket H to mean a boy who has not attained the age of 16 years or a girl who has not attained the age of 18 years full stop. Such a juvenile was entitled to various protections, and these protections were uniform irrespective of the nature of the crime committed full stop. The United Nations Convention on the Rights of Child CRC for short was adopted by the United Nations General Assembly on 20th November 1989, and this convention came into force on 2nd September 1990 under Article 1 of the CRC. A child was defined as every human being below the age of 18 years full stop. However, if the domestic law provided that the child attained majority below the age of 18 years, then that would be treated to be the age till which the child would remain a juvenile full stop. Discretion was left to the individual countries to fix the age of juvenility under the domestic laws full stop stanza. The next development was the enactment of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2000, hereinafter referred to as the Act of 2000, which repealed the Juvenile Justice Act 1986 full stop. Under the Act of 2000, a juvenile or child was defined to mean a person who had not completed 18 years of age full stop. Even a juvenile in conflict with law was defined to mean a juvenile who was alleged to have committed an offense full stop. Since there was no clarity with regard to the date on which the age was to be determined, the definition of juvenile in conflict with law was amended, and the juvenile in conflict with law has been defined to mean a juvenile who is alleged to have committed an offense and has not completed 18th year of age as on the day of commission of the offense full stop. An unfortunate incident of rape and murder of a young girl given the identity took place in Delhi in December 2012 full stop. One of the persons involved in the crime was a juvenile aged 17 years full stop. This led to a call from society to revisit the law, and some sections of society felt that the word juvenile had been given a very wide meaning and juveniles have been dealt with leniently full stop. In one such matter versus Union of India and another full stop, this court rejected the writ petition which prayed for reconsideration of sections 2 within bracket K 2 within bracket 1 and 15 of the Act of 2000 full stop. Thereafter a writ petition titled so and others versus Raju through member Juvenile Justice Board and another was filed challenging the provisions of the Act of 2000, especially with regard to classification of juveniles full stop. This petition was also dismissed. Stop.